When the drone is being used and the propellers can't be unfolded, the motors are stuck, be sure to follow these instructions. When the propeller is either too loose or too tight, we can loosen the propeller's fixing screws a little and then spray some WD-40. Likewise, do the same for the other side of the propeller. Then pinch the propeller clamp up and down to move the blade when there's no gap, in accordance with the E-blade leading edge movement within 30 degrees smooth. Spraying WD-40 is only a temporary solution. If you want to maintain long-lasting smoothness, grease is a good choice, and the lower limit of the temperature of it is at -20 degrees Celsius. The higher the upper limit of the temperature, the better. We choose to use grease which has the upper limit of the temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. Detailed procedures are as follows. Remove the clamp screws. Remove the paddle clamp internal wear-resistant gaskets, front and back side of a small amount of grease, and then will be coated with grease paddle installed in the paddle clamp. Fixed paddle clamp screws. Other paddles are all in accordance with this operation. The checking method is the same. Pinch the paddle clamp up and down to move the paddle till there's no gap. Lubricate according to the paddle leading edge of the movement of 30 degrees within the range of smoothness. Normally when the drone is in use, we should also carefully check the wear and tear of the propeller and clamp or gaskets. That's all for today's tutorial. Please subscribe us to unlock more crop protection skills.